Meaning of goofy.
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 Goofy. Goofy is an adjective that describes someone who acts silly or clumsy in a playful or amusing way. It can also refer to something that is comical, entertaining, or absurd. The term was popularized by the Disney character Goofy, who was known for his bumbling but lovable personality. People who are described as goofy often have a lighthearted and carefree demeanor, and enjoy making others laugh. While the term can sometimes be used in a derogatory way, in most cases it is meant as a compliment and an expression of affection.